Hello. In the video today I'm going to show you the Nasturtium plant, and I'm going to show you something that you can make with the seeds which you might find unusual. There's no surprise here that we're making capers. You've seen the title. But you may be surprised when you taste them. There's two parts to this recipe, which you'll see in the description below. In the first part, you make a brine of salt and water in which the seeds soak for 3 days. Let's take a look. Once it comes to the boil, pour the brine into the jar to cover the seeds. When cool, put the lid on and leave it for 3 days on the bench top. A year-old batch, still good. For the second part, I collected some of the remaining ingredients from the garden. Take the pre-soaked seeds, strain them, and then put them back in the jar. With all the remaining ingredients, including the vinegar and sugar, add them to a pot and bring to the boil. Pour in the hot mixture. When cool, put the lid on, label it and refrigerate. So there you have it, Nasturtium capers. So easy to make. If you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, please subscribe. And if you'd like notification of my next one, you can ring the bell. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.